Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Binance. If you're buying or selling crypto using Binance P2P and need to cancel an order before it's completed, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely. Let's dive in. First, open your Binance app and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen and select P2P. This will take you to the P2P trading section, where you can see your ongoing buy or sell orders. Next, tap on Orders. Here, you'll find a list of all your current orders, including any that are still open. You can see details like the trading pair, amount, and status of each order. Now, locate the specific order you want to cancel. Tap on it to open the order details. You'll see an option labeled Cancel Order. Tap on this button. Binance will ask you to confirm the cancellation. Tap Confirm to cancel your order. It's important to note that you can only cancel orders that have not been paid or completed. If the buyer or seller has already completed the transaction, the cancellation option will not be available. After cancellation, your funds will be released back to your P2P wallet, and you're free to create a new order or adjust your trade strategy. For those using the Binance website, the steps are very similar. Go to Trade, P2P, Orders, find your open order, click Cancel, and Confirm. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Binance P2P tips and crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on Binance.